Hello everyone. We'll start today with Indian geography, and since we know that Indian geography has immense importance in terms of your analytical questions that used to come in your prelims part, so let us discuss now. First question we'll discuss, and we'll say that after every two successive questions we'll discuss the answers, right? First question: what is the Loktak? Where is the Loktak Lake situated? Where is the Loktak Lake situated? It is Kerala, Uttaranchal, Manipur, and Rajasthan. Kerala, Uttaranchal, Manipur, and Rajasthan. Loktak Lake situated is Manipur. C. Similarly, which of the following water bodies separates the Andaman from the Nicobar Islands? Andaman to Nicobar Island. Which body separates Andaman from the Nicobar Islands? It is your 11-degree channel, Gulf of Mannar, 10-degree channel, and your Andaman Sea. So answer is your C, that is your 10-degree channel. We'll discuss now. Loktak Lake, the largest freshwater lake in northeast India, and also called the only floating lake in the world due to floating fundies. Regarding Loktak Lake, it is the largest freshwater lake, basically. It is the largest freshwater lake in the northeast India, basically. It is in the northeast India, also called the only floating lake in the world due to the floating fundies. Is located near Moirang in Manipur state in India. It is located near the Moirang, Manipur state in India. The etymology Loktak means Lok means stream and Tak means the end. The Kebul Lamjau National Park, which is the last natural refuge of the endangered Sangai or Manipur brow-antlered deer, one of the 3 subspecies of your its deer, covering an area of 40 square kilometer. So basically, Kebul Lamjau National Park Kebul Lamjau, Kebul Lamjau National Park. Kebul Lamjau National Park, Kebul Lamjau National Park is the only floating national park. This is the only floating national park that is in the Manipur, particularly. Manipur Kebul Lamjau National Park. 10-degree channel 10-degree channel which separates your Andaman and Nicobar. This is North Andaman, this is Middle Andaman, this is South Andaman, and this is your Little Andaman. This is North, Middle Andaman, South Andaman, and this is your Little Andaman. This is separated by Nicobar group of islands. This is the Nicobar group of island, and this is your 10-degree channel, right? This is your 10-degree channel. So it is separated by Andamans from this is your Nicobar by your 10-degree channel, basically. The two sets of island together form the Indian territory of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. This channel is 150 km wide. It is said that when western trade wind was used by the Arabians, they crossed through this channel in the 15th century, particularly. Okay? Next, which of the following river has the largest river basin in India? Largest river basin here, the Indus, Ganga, Brahmaputra, and Krishna. Largest river basin in India. Largest river basin in India, largest interbasin, your river basin. The question is, here we have to identify it is in India, it is asking. So it is your Ganga. Ganga is the your largest river basin in India, particularly. Next, in which of the following states or UT located your Banihal Pass? Banihal Pass is located Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, and Sikkim. Which of the Among the following states or UT. Banihal Pass is located. Your answer is your A, that is your Jammu and Kashmir particularly. Jammu and Kashmir. Next questions we'll see. Who among the following was the first person to scale Mount Everest without supplemental oxygen? क्या मित्रों? First person to scale Mount Everest without supplemental oxygen. Ernest Bannon, Duncan Chazelle, Reynold Mesnes, and Jean Trollet. क्या मित्रों? To scale Mount Everest without supplemental oxygen. That is your answer is your Reynold Mesner. Okay. Next, through which of the following states Chambal River does not flow? Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, and Gujarat. Chambal River does not flow. Which of the following states where the Chambal River does not flow? Uttar Pradesh flowing, Madhya Pradesh ro bahariche, Rajasthan also. Answer is your D for Delhi. Gujarat देखिए your Chambal River does not flow. Reynold Mesnes जदि कहबो is the first person to scale Mount Everest without supplemental oxygen. है is the first person to scale Mount Everest without supplemental oxygen. है Reynold Mesner is in German basically. Is in German. Is the first person to scale Mount Everest without supplemental oxygen, along with Peter Habler in 1978. He is also the first climber to ascend all 14 peaks over 8,000 meters above the sea level, including the Mount Everest. He is also the first climber to ascend all 14 peaks. Reynold Mesner Peter Habler he is also an European. Along with him, they total covered 14 peaks. 14 peaks they have covered. Next, the Chambal River is a tributary of the Yamuna River. The river flows through northeast. Chambal is a tributary of the Yamuna River. This river flows through north and northeast through Madhya Pradesh, running for a time through Rajasthan, then forming a boundary between Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh, before turning southeast to join Yamuna in Uttar Pradesh. Chambal River, just let me draw the diagram here. Chambal River Chambal River, this is Madhya Pradesh, Chambal River, the Vindhyan range, Chambal River, this is your Vindhyan range. If I say this is your Vindhya range, Chambal River to Bahariki, then this Yamuna Yamuna Sangari Chambal miss. This is your Chambal, this is your Yamuna. Rajasthan, then forming a boundary between Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh before turning southeast to the Yamuna in Uttar Pradesh state. Next, Sirhind Canal is located on which river? Sirhind Canal is located in Satluj, Ravi, Bees, and none of the above. Sirhind Canal is located on which river? Satluj, Ravi, Bees, and none of this. Your answer is your Sirhind Canal is located on your Satluj River. A. The Chamera Dam is located in which state or UT? Chamera Dam, Puducherry, Uttar Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh and Jharkhand. Chamera Dam is located in your Himachal Pradesh, particularly. Chamera Dam, it is famous dam. It is located in your Himachal Pradesh. The Syrian Canal is a large irrigation canal. Syrian Canal is a large irrigation canal that carries water from the Satluj River in the Punjab state, particularly, which carries water from the Satluj River in the Punjab state, India. It is one of the oldest and biggest irrigation canal in the Indus River system. Syrian Canal, large irrigation canal that carries water from the Satluj River in the Punjab state. It is one of the oldest and biggest irrigation canal, Syrian Canal. Particularly the Syrian Canal is an oldest and biggest irrigation works in the Indus River system and was inaugurated in 1882, 1882 AD. The canal begins at Ropar headworks near Ropar city in Roopnagar district of Punjab, particularly in the Roopnagar district of Punjab. Then Himachal Pradesh, the Chamera Dam, which is located near the town of your Dalhousie in the Chamba district of Himachal Pradesh, particularly. Chamera Dam is located near the town of Dalhousie in the Chamba district of your Himachal Pradesh. Chamera Dam, Himachal Pradesh is located. It is near the town of your Dalhousie in the Chamba district, Himachal Pradesh. It impounds the river Ravi. River Rabira impound and supports hydroelectricity project in the region, and it supports the hydroelectricity project in the region. The reservoir of the dam the reservoir of the dam is your Chamera Lake. The unique features of the region is the fluctuating day and night temperature. Unique features of the region is the fluctuating day and night temperature. The temperature during the day near the dam rises up to 35 degrees Celsius and drops to a minimum 18 to 20 degrees Celsius. 18 to 20 degrees Celsius at night. Chamera Dam the ratri dekhibo temperature near about it. Daytime it rises 35 maximum and drops to. So hence there is an your 15 degree range of difference, particularly 15 degree centigrade range of temperature difference. The water level in the Chamera Lake rises to a maximum of 763 meter, while the minimum water level is at 747 meter. This is the because of this fluctuating, along with the fluctuating temperature conditions. Also, it is incorporate with your maximum minimum water level. Next, which of the following river is known as your Padma when it enters Bangladesh, particularly? When it enters a river known as Padma, when it enters Bangladesh, your Brahmaputra, Ganga, Tista and Mahanadi river. Padma, Padma, it is your name. Bangladesh, it is your Ganga. Ganga is the Bangladesh enter color Padma. And which of the following countries has world's 25% thorium reserves maximum? World 25% thorium reserves maximum कहाँ? It is India, China, US and Russia. But world 25% thorium reserves. It is your answer is your A, India. It requires the Padma, or in Bengali it is your called your Podda. It is a major river in Bangladesh and in India. It is the main distributary of Ganga. It is the main distributary of Ganga, Padma, flowing generally southeast for 120 km particularly. It is flowing southeast 120 km and to its confluence with the Meghna river near the Bay of Bengal. We'll come back. The diagram it is more clear of this, how the flow of Ganga is there. The flow of Ganga is like this one. Ganga into Bahariki. When it enters Bangladesh, this is your area of your Bangladesh. This is your Brahmaputra. Brahmaputra also enter. Ganga ra jo naata, this is Ganga. When it enters, this area is your Bangladesh. And Ganga in Bangladesh, it is known as your Padma. Simply, this is your Brahmaputra, and Brahmaputra when enters in your Bangladesh, it is known as your Jamuna. It is known as your Jamuna. Yes, so this is the clear picture of Ganga in Bangladesh known as your Padma, and your Brahmaputra in Bangladesh known as your Jamuna. Both combined stream in Bangladesh, they known as your Meghna. Combined stream, they known as your Meghna. The city of Rajshahi is situated on the banks of the river. City of Rajshahi, that is situated on the banks of this river. City of Rajshahi, Bangladesh. Uranium research, India has the modest uranium reserves, where it has one of the largest uranium reserves. India basically uranium, it is not large. If I see the thorium reserves, largest thorium reserves in the world, thorium deposits, thorium, it is despite its greater abundance, thorium, despite its greater abundance in nature and a number of superior characteristics, particularly thorium 232, particularly thorium 232 has to be converted into thorium 232 has to be converted into uranium 233. First use in a nuclear reactor. It is converted into thorium to convert to uranium to first it is by 233. Uranium, your thorium fertile, thorium 232 is very fertile, and it is converted into uranium 233 for its use of nuclear reactor. Deposits which is dominated by in the state, most of the eastern states, coastal states also, Jharkhand, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Kerala. If I draw the diagram, it is here it is more clear. This is your Jharkhand. This is Odisha, and this is Andhra. Most of the coastal states. Jharkhand bit closer, but far away. This is our Odisha. ODS. Then Tamil Nadu. This is Tamil Nadu, and this is your Kerala. Despite dominating the states, Jharkhand, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, and Kerala. Arid Forces Research Institute. अच्छा ये आगुरी जिन बुलेल कहवाई थोरियम वर्तमान थोरियम is considered to be thorium is considered to be a greater replacement of uranium. It has also a greater scope. It is also a greater scope of calorific value, generating your scope of generating it has a greater scope of generating calorific value. The fertile thorium-232 has become to be converted into uranium-233, first for the used nuclear reactor. Deposits of dominated states के जोटा कि आम कथा पर्टिकुलर ता भितर जदि आम देखा कि आम पूरी बीच रे भी है एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द सैंड बीचेस इन केरला मैक्सिमम केरला रे अपग्रेडेड वर्जन्स तुम थोरियम मोनाजाइट ओर मिले है मोनाजाइट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखिए. Arid Forces Research Institute is located at Koti, Rajasthan, Haryana, Punjab, Kerala. Arid है तो it is none other than Rajasthan. कहेंगे because हमें ए थ्रू गोटे जिन देखा कि राजस्थान इज एन ड्रायर स्टेट है. राजस्थान इज योर ड्राई स्टेट. ठीक है. सिंस इट इज अ ड्राई स्टेट सो मोस्ट ऑफ द पार्ट ऑफ राजस्थान इज कवर्स बाय योर एरिड. ठीक है जी. Arid particularly. Bring out the incorrectly matched pair here with Biofuel project Himachal Pradesh है. Biofuel project your Himachal Pradesh. Solal project Jammu and Kashmir. Tanpura project Uttar Pradesh. Koil Karo project Bihar. It's incorrectly matched. It is your Koil Karo project. It is Bihar. Koil Karo project is not in Bihar. Actually, it is in your Jharkhand. Koilkara project, it is here in Jharkhand. Bairasilil project, Himachal Pradesh, it is also correct. Solal project, Jammu Kashmir, this is also correct. Tankura project, Uttar Pradesh, this is also correct. Right? Then we'll see. Question देखियो next है. Rajasthan at Jodhpur, this research organization Rajasthan study mainly the climatic phenomenon, that is Western India and country as a whole. Western India and country as a whole. ठीक है. Arid Research Institute, particularly जदि हम देखिबा, it is in the Jodhpur. जदि हम एटी डायग्राम ड्रा करछे आहुरी भी हमको क्वालिटी रहइबो. Jodhpur here, Jodhpur is somehow it is focused here in Rajasthan. This is your Jodhpur. Jodhpur here. Right? Koilkara project, Bihar. Koilkara project actually is in Jharkhand. South Koil River, which runs across your Jharkhand and Odisha. South Koil River, which run across your Jharkhand and Odisha in the states of India. It originates in Ranchi Plateau. Chota Nagpur Plateau, or particularly Ranchi Plateau. Ranchi Plateau is a part of your Chota Nagpur Plateau. It originates on the Ranchi Plateau and a few miles of your Ranchi, particularly. It and co-joins the Belsai Nagar and Singhbhum rivers, particularly. The Koil is fed by three streams, that is your in Jharkhand, namely your North Karo, South Karo and Koina. Run by your North Karo, South Karo, and it is your Koina. North Karo, South Karo and your Koina. South Koil, which enters Odisha and joins the Sangh River. South Koil enters Odisha and joins the Sangh River at the Vedabas near Raurkela, from where it is named as your Brahmani. This is your South Koil. This is your Sangh River and this is your Koil River. This is the place where the bass at Raurkela. Here the combined name is your Brahmani. Combined name is your Brahmani, particularly. So this is the clear pictures of Brahmani River. Here it is your Sangh River and this is your Koil River. Both are the two rivers, Sangh River and your Koil River. Their co-joins and the name is your Brahmani by the West Raurkela. South Coil enters Odisha and joins Sangh River at Vedabas near Rourkela, from where it is named as your Brahmani. The water comes to Indira Gandhi Canal from the following rivers. Which of the following rivers, from where water comes to your Indira Gandhi Canal? Satluj and Bees, Satluj, Bees and Rabi, Satluj, Bees, Rabi and Chenab. Indira Gandhi Canal water comes to which following rivers? That is your Satluj and Bees, B. Satluj and Bees noche. Then, which among the following state in India has the highest production of large cardamom? क्या बताओ? Sikkim, Assam, Gujarat and Kerala. Highest production of your large cardamom. What is your A? Sikkim. So we'll discuss now. Indira Gandhi Canal, जोटा कहा जाए कि हमरो इंदिरा गांधी नहर है, इंदिरा गांधी कैनाल, ठीक है, also known as your Indira Gandhi Nahar, है. It is the longest canal, which is near about 800 kilometers. It starts from the Harike barrage at Harike, a few kilometers below the confluence of your Satluj and Bees river. Satluj Bees river, Harike barrage, Harike barrage, that is your in Punjab. Harike barrage is in Punjab. Satluj and Bees river in the Indian state of the Punjab, and dominates irrigation facilities in the third desert particularly. And it terminates your irrigation facility in the third desert in the northwest of Rajasthan. This is your Harike project. Indira Gandhi Nahar comes entirely of the Rajasthan. It is flows through. This is your Indira Gandhi Canal. Mostly Indira Gandhi Canal से देखो. Indira Gandhi Canal flow करছে entirely. It flows mainly across the arid states of Rajasthan, mainly in the arid states of your Rajasthan से flow करছে. Also flows through the semi-arid regions. It also flows through the semi-arid regions of your Haryana, Punjab, Rajasthan part also. Rajasthan ro bhi Churu, Alwar, separate dekhi etc. Yeah, that is why the very your beneficials of Indira Gandhi Nahar, that it provides supply waters, है supply water to the your irrigated areas, and particularly supplies water. ठीक है, it supplies water to the water deficit areas, particularly है supplies water to the water deficit area, water deficit area भी से large cardamom is cultivated. The next question देखो, large cardamom is cultivated in the sub-Himalayan regions of northeastern India, Nepal and Bhutan. Large cardamom it is provided in the sub-Himalayan region in the northeastern India, and this is your Nepal and Bhutan particularly. It grows particularly in the cold humid conditions grows in the cold humid condition under the shade trees of your altitude between 800 to 2000 meters above MSL. Above mean sea level ko say that grows also. That means some kind of moist is required, moisture. Humid moist, I can say humid moist and cool climate particularly. Humid moist and cool climate, these are all required for that one. These are all required for your growth of your cardamom. Next, which of the following northeast states Kapoli hydro project is located? Kapoli hydro project. Kapoli hydro project, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Tripura, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Tripura and Nagaland. Kapoli hydro project particularly. Kapoli hydro project is located in your answer is your Assam before Bombay. Then we'll discuss this one. Which of the following is a typical monsoon vegetations in India? Typical monsoon vegetation की tropical evergreen forest, tropical deciduous, tropical thorn and tropical evergreen forest. Okay, monsoon vegetation के typical monsoon vegetation, it is your tropical deciduous forest. Tropical deciduous forest, typical monsoon vegetation in India. Kapili river, which is named the sage of Kapila, in the interstate river in northeast India that flows through the states of your Meghalaya and Assam, and is the largest south bank tributary of river Brahmaputra. Kapili river is the largest south bank tributary of river Brahmaputra in Assam. Kapili river project. Kapili originates in the Meghalaya plateau and flows through your central Assam and the hill districts of Assam. Kapili river originates in the Meghalaya plateau. Basically, Kapili river originates this is your Meghalaya plateau originates and it flows through your central Assam and the hill districts of Assam before it confluences with the Brahmaputra. In Assam, it drains in the district of Kabi along. Basically, it is drained with the Karbi along. Dima Hasao, Kamrup and Nagaon. The river flows for a total length of your 290 kilometer and has a catchment area of 16,420 square kilometer. This has a catchment area of 16,420 square kilometers. It is noted for several spectacular waterfalls, along with the course which has several deep gorges and rapids. Several deep gorges and rapids, particular deep gorges and rapids are there, particularly. Kopili hydropower project is one of the biggest your power project in your northeastern India, particularly. This is one of your biggest. It is your northeastern India, one of the biggest. This one. And Kopili is one of the largest south bank tributary of Brahmaputra. It is one of the south bank tributary of Brahmaputra. Then your tropical deciduous forest, if I say tropical, your tropical monsoon vegetations, which is basically your tropical deciduous forest. Tropical deciduous forest are basically possess monsoon vegetations. Basically, it possesses your monsoon vegetation. Tropical deciduous forest is basically your tropical monsoon vegetation. Next, the largest brackish water lagoon. Largest brackish water lagoon of Asia is located in which of the following state? Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, and Odisha. It is none other than our Chilka Lake, that is your Odisha. Consider the following: clover, sugarcane, alfalfa. Which among the following above plantation crops? Here Vitru, plantation crops. Which one? It is your sugarcane only. The brackish water lagoon or Chilka Lake of Odisha is the largest coastal lagoon in India. It is one of the largest coastal lagoon, in India. It is home to number of threatened species of plants and animals. It is number of threatened species of your plants and animals. Chilka is the largest lagoon in the Asia. Chilka is the largest lagoon in the Asia and the largest wintering ground for your migratory birds. Okay? Migratory birds, like they came from far away from your. They came far away from Siberia and your Ladakh part also. This also support a unique life of marine, brackish and freshwater species particularly. Chilka जदि हम देखिबा चिल्का ओडिसा रा तो अगर चिल्का met your Chilka Khorda, then Puri and Ganjam. Khorda, Puri and Ganjam तीनटा को चिल्का दबा लगे. plantation is a large farm or estate usually in the tropical or subtropical countries, right, where crops that are not consumed for food are grown for sale in distant markets particularly, right, basically rather than for the local consumption. Such crops include cotton, coffee, tobacco, sugarcane, sisal, and various seeds and rubber trees particularly, and various seeds and your rubber trees also. Farms that produce which one? Alfalfa, Lespedeza, clover, and other forest crops are usually not collected by the plantation crops. They are also not counted as your plantation crops basically. So plantation crops basically we can call that one. They grow for profit oriented. They're basically profit oriented. Next हमें देखिए which one is correct more. India is providing an assistance. India is providing an assistance to which among the following neighbors for strengthening and extension of embankments along Lalbakeya, Bagmati, and Kamla rivers. Correct? Providing assistance to which among the following neighbors? Bangladesh, Nepal, Pakistan, and Myanmar. Answer is your Nepal. Lalbakeya, Bagmati, and Kamla rivers. I will discuss this one. Which among the following spreads from Sasaram and Rohtas in western Bihar? Sasaram and Rohtas in western Bihar to Chittorgarh in Rajasthan. Which one is spreading that one? To say Sasaram and Rohtas in western Bihar to Chittorgarh in Rajasthan. So this is none other than your Vindhyan system. Vindhyan system spreads over your major. If I draw the map here, it will be more clear. Vindhyan system from Sasaram in Bihar, Chittorgarh in Rajasthan. Vindhya spread across. This is your Vindhyan ranges. Okay, Sasaram and Rohtas in western Bihar, Chittorgarh. We'll discuss this one more vividly. Vindhya system stretches from Sasaram and Rohtas in the western Bihar to the Chittorgarh district of Rajasthan. These rocks came into existence after Kadapa rocks. Kadapa is a series of variety of rocks that came into this one. These sedimentary rocks which are built from your sandstone, shale, and limestone particularly. Right? These sedimentary rocks which are built from your sandstone, shale, and limestones. Now, the other three rivers which I am saying, that's one, strengthening extension of Lalbakeya, Bagmati, and Kamla rivers. There basically, see this one, Lalbakeya, Bagmati, and Kamla rivers, where the India shares with Nepal. Particularly, if I draw the diagram, it will be more clear also. This is your Nepal. See, these three rivers, that is your Lal Bakeya, they are the tributaries. All these three rivers, they are the tributaries of your Ganga. This is your Lal Bakeya, this is Bagmati, and this is your Kamla. Lal Bakeya, and this is your Bagmati, and this is your Kamla. These three rivers that India, India and Nepal shares water, and by making hydroelectric project, India put it over them. India makes dams. India makes dams, check dams, over them, dams and check dams over them. Bindhyasacham, the देखो इतने HEB production से कि the India shares power, India shares power with shares power, or that means India assist Nepal power for this one. Okay, Bindhan system देखिए, Bindhan system that stretches from your Sasaram and Rohtas in the western Bihar to Chittorgarh in Rajasthan particularly. These rocks came into existence after Kadapa rocks. These sedimentary rocks which built from the sandstone, shale and limestone. Is built from your sandstone, shale and limestone. Vindhya system, Vindhya is an fold mountain also. Next, consider the following UMPP projects and their respective states, particularly UMPP projects and their respective states. Talaiya, Odisha, Sasan, Madhya Pradesh, and Bedabhal in Jharkhand. Which one is your above correctly matched? Talaiya, Odisha, this is wrong. Sasan, Madhya Pradesh, it is correct. Bedabhal, Jharkhand, this is also wrong. Now, which are the correctly matched? This one. Here only 2 is correct. B for Bombay. Ultra mega power projects are very large size projects approximately 4000 megawatt each in capacity. UMPP ultra mega power projects which has the 4000 each capacity. Talaiya ultra mega power project UMPP in Jharkhand was recently in news as it was abandoned by the original owner Reliance Power and it's likely to be auctioned afresh. Bedabhal UMPP is located near your Sundargarh district of Odisha. Bedabhal. Okay, Bedabhal is in BMTP, Vedabahal, in Sundargarh district of Odisha. Which of the following geographical term related with a body of land surrounded by water on three sides? Which one? Body of land of surrounded by water on three sides: peninsula, gulf, strait, and island. A term related to with a body of land surrounded by water from three sides. This is your peninsula. A. For example, we can say that one, this is our Indian peninsula, right? This is our Indian peninsula. Indian peninsula, it surrounded by, this is your Bay of Bengal one side, and this is your Indian Ocean, and this is your Arabian Sea. Which are the following geographical term related with the naturally formed narrow typically navigable waterway? The narrow typically navigable waterway that connects two larger bodies of water. That connects two larger bodies of water. So this is nothing but your strait. For example, this is your Park Strait. Because this is your Bay of Bengal and this is your Indian Ocean. Peninsula, the best example of peninsula is also called the Indian Peninsula, like that one, your Sinai Peninsula in Egypt. It is your Sinai Peninsula in Egypt. Sinai Peninsula in Egypt, that is your particularly peninsula. In the Indian Peninsula, this is your Arabian Sea, this is your Bay of Bengal, and this is your Indian Ocean. Strait channel, best example is your Malacca Strait, in which your Strait of Gibraltar between the Spain and Morocco. This is your Spain Gibraltar Strait. This is your Strait of Gibraltar. This is your Strait Gibraltar. This is, this country is your Morocco, and this is your Spain. So strait basically connect करके दीटा water bodies को, इटा हला तुम्हारा, this is your Atlantic Ocean, and this is your particularly your Mediterranean Sea. Atlantic Ocean, and this is your Mediterranean Sea. Where is Mayurkasi project? Koti. This is your Jammu Kashmir, Punjab, West Bengal, and Maharashtra. Mayurkasi project, that is your is your West Bengal, this one. Next question, which of the following is not matched correctly? क्या भितर correctly matched no Ukai project is in river Tapi, Sardar Sarovar river Narmada, Farakka project river Yamuna. Okay, then your Salal project river Chenna. Ukai project is correct. Sardar Sarovar river Narmada, correct. Farakka project river Yamuna. No, Farakka project is your river Ganga. Salal project river Chenna. This is correct. Mayurkasi river is a tributary of the Hooghly, which rises from your Chota Nagpur plateau. Mayurkasi river, which rises from your Chota Nagpur plateau particularly, and flows through Bihar and West Bengal particularly. It flows through your Bihar and West Bengal. It is a multi-purpose project of West Bengal to create irrigation potential, generate power, and control floods and erosion. Create irrigation potential करियो. This is your irrigation potential. Then power generation, floods control, and erosion control. And Mayurkasi is a tributary of Hooghly. This is your Mayurkasi rivers, Hooghly, Ganga Tila. Hooghly, Bharigasi. Then this is Hooghly. Then this is 1, 2, 3. One is your Hooghly, 2 is your Mayurkasi, 3 is your Ganga. Then Farakka barrage, the river Yamuna, Farakka barrage across the Ganga river is located in the Murshidabad district in the Indian state of West Bengal, roughly 18 kilometers from the border with Bangladesh near Sahibganj. Okay. रिवर यमुना जो देखिए मुर्शिदाबाद डिस्ट्रिक्ट बाहर की साहिबगंज रे आछे जदि एठी हम देखिए क्वेश्चन रे आ भितरे फरक्का रिवर इज एन मल्टी रिवर वैली प्रोजेक्ट है फरक्का रिवर वैली प्रोजेक्ट इज एन मल्टी रिवर वैली प्रोजेक्ट फरक्का बैरेज है गंगा इज इन मुर्शिदाबाद डिस्ट्रिक्ट रे इन द इंडियन स्टेट ऑफ वेस्ट बंगाल पर्टिकुलरली roughly 18 kilometers particular from the border of Patti. Farakka barrage township is located in the Farakka in Murshidabad district. Construction was started in 1961. 1961 मसीह construction started and completed it is in 1975. This was a cost on near about say somewhere 160 crore approximate was expended. Farakka barrage mainly तुम्हारा जो बना है तो it is because to your flood control, wastage of water or excess water flow to Bangladesh. To check the wastage of water flow or the flow of Bangladesh को जो मैंने पानी पड़ो था. Next your silting, check the silting of Haldia port. This is silting of your Haldia port mainly. Haldia port ର silting of ସେଟାକୁ mainly ବି ଆମେ କରିଥିଲେ ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି so ଆଜି ପାଇଁ ଏତିକି will again meet thank you all of you so this is the way that we can study this is where a analytical problem it will be more helpful in our clarity